For thousands of years, the human civilization has come through the primitive ignorance to the modern society. People's persistence in elaborate steel manufacturing and insistence in the ingenuity leaves the trace of persistence all the time. For years, what invariable is the ingenuity, the inheritance from ancient China, and also the unswerving original intention of Xiamen East Asia Machinery Industrial Company Limited. Via industry exploration for over 30 years, now has developed to be a professional manufacturer of large-scale air compressor. By inheriting the ingenuity spirit and forming the lean production with concentration, Jaguar Air Compressor shows extraordinary quality. Converging multi-dynasty skilled professional technicians and veteran managers, East Asia Machinery develops in the lead of industry. We keep improving by strictly controlling every production point. Effective and reliable working management standard is executed only for creating boutiques. We aggressively explore the energy-saving, environmental-friendly technology of compressed air, at the same time of ensuring stable quality, make the product more valuable, save the production expense for the users, and largely decrease the energy loss and consumption. Be the first to set the convenient customer service centers at every central city all over China, enabling the professional sales teams and technical service teams to offer you the reliable after-sales service guarantee all the time. Only when there is a demand in mind, we can take the long path. We use the ingenuity spirit to insist a career we never want to give up. Professional air compressor manufacturer, Xiamen East Asia Machinery Industrial Company Limited.